Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue topping. First, carefully separate your egg whites, making sure absolutely no yolk gets into the bowl. This is crucial for proper whipping. Also, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely clean and grease-free. Using room temperature egg whites will help them whip up to their maximum volume, creating a lighter, airier meringue. Get ready to whip up something delicious. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on medium speed until they become foamy. This usually takes a couple of minutes. Next, gradually add your granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve properly. Keep whipping until the mixture is glossy and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. You're almost there. Now for the fun part, adding flavor. Gently fold in any extracts like vanilla or citrus zest you desire. Be careful not to deflate the air you've worked so hard to incorporate. Once flavored, pipe or spread your meringue onto your pie or tart base. Then bake it at a low temperature, typically around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, until it's beautifully crisp and lightly golden. Patience is key for a perfect bake. For the best meringue, always avoid humid conditions, as moisture can make it sticky and weep. Also, double-check that all your equipment from bowls to whisks is completely dry before you begin. A little bit of water can prevent your egg whites from whipping properly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. And hey, while you're in the kitchen, stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.